This is Festuca glauca, commonly known as common blue fescue. And what you're looking at is a older planting here. The first one was a fresher planting, but I like to represent things the way I think they really are when it comes to plants. And I'm not selling them, so I can be objective here. And this is an older planting my neighbor has actually, and it's also taken during the winter in Northern California. Now we've had a lot of frost this year in the high 20s Fahrenheit, and these are handling it fine. These are hardy. The book says down to around minus 50 degrees Fahrenheit, so very hardy evergreen grass. And so what you're looking at are some older clumps, and they say that the plant typically is about 10 to 12 inches high and 10 inches wide plus or minus. So you see group plantings here and a very dry planting. We do not get rain in our area for a good 7 months during the hottest part of the year. We have low humidity, below 20%. Here's a good looking planting, by the way, and then here's winter again. So you're going to get new growth during the warmer months, and you're going to get more of that silvery blue color that people use this plant for. It does have that fine texture of a grass, and I think that it looks a little rough when you don't give it moisture. And that good looking photo you saw earlier, that's located in Berkeley, and it's cooler during the summer. We get around 190 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit during the summer here, along with the dry humidity, and it's a little rougher on certain plants. This fine texture grass can take that. It's just how good do you want it to look. So low water, the deer don't eat it. Once established, it's low water, and looks better with some extra moisture during the drier months, and also looks its best during the warmer months because it's growing. I have not grown this one. I've never loved it, so I'm not sure the best way to get it looking its best in the warmer months. I would say it's a good idea to try and kind of shear this a little lower, maybe half its height, and encourage some new growth and maybe a little fertilizer there in the spring to push out some new silvery blue growth. I think the foliage is really attractive when it's looking its best, and so I think if you're going to use that, just keep that in mind and know that that's how you're going to get the best look out of the plant. It's good in clumps, as you can see here, but it's also good as kind of an edger or a little accent grass, along with burgundy things like Loropetalum plum delight or something like that. And that's what I can tell you about Festuca glauca, common blue fescue. Enjoy.